Hey there, folks. Welcome to this video brought to you by Villain Marketing by Narce, VMxN, in the Premier Marketing Academy. I'm your host, Lil Vil, and today we're diving into the wild world of customer relationships. Buckle up for a joyride of emotional marketing techniques. Today, we're spilling the beans on how to turn your customers into loyal fans. But first, let's see if you're an AI fan. Type AI content in the comments, and who knows, maybe our next video will be about how to create viral content for your specific target audience. Segment 1, show them that you know them. Alright, let's get serious. The first step in building those rock-solid relationships is showing your customers that you know them better than their favorite pizza topping. It's all about understanding their needs and desires. How? By becoming a virtual stalker, of course, but in a totally legal and non-creepy way. We've got our magnifying glasses ready, folks. Let's crack the code of customer desires. Segment 2, treat them right. Now, on to step 2, treat them like they're the last chocolate in the box. Quality products are a must, but how about sweetening the deal with discounts, freebies, and perks? It's like a relationship with your customers but with more chocolates. Customer satisfaction tastes as sweet as chocolate. Trust me. Segment 3, be transparent and honest. Step 3, my friends, be as transparent as a ghost in a glass house. Admit your mistakes, spill the tea on your challenges, and let your customers know you're not just a robot in a suit. You're a human, just like them. Boo. No secrets here, just pure honesty. Segment 4, put people before numbers. Number 4 on our list, put people before numbers. It's not just about profits and metrics, it's about caring for your customers, your employees, and even yourself. We're not just chasing dollars, we're building a community, folks. Who needs numbers when you've got people to juggle? Segment 5, be fun when appropriate. Last but not least, sprinkle a little fun on everything. Because let's face it, life's too short to be boring. Add humor, creativity, and personality to your content, and watch your customers laugh all the way to brand loyalty. Who says marketing can't be a party? And there you have it, folks. Thanks for joining us on this roller coaster of customer love. We hope you had as much fun as we did. If you want more tips on building customer relationships that last, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let us know what your biggest online business problem is, and hopefully, we can help your business soar to new heights. Until next time, have an awesome day, and we'll catch you in the next video.